To install the Alarm.com wireless video doorbell, you will need Alarm.com wireless video doorbell and included accessories, drill or screwdriver, level, pencil, Wi-Fi connection, a service package that includes video analytics and the doorbell cameras add-on. To mount the wireless video doorbell, first identify a location on the side of your door frame. A position approximately 4 feet above the ground is recommended for an optimal field of view. Then, place the mount at your desired location and use a level to ensure the mount is parallel to the ground. Use a pencil to mark the 2 holes of the mount. To drill and screw in the doorbell, use a 1/4 drill bit to create appropriately sized holes for the supplied anchors at your marked locations. Insert the anchors and place the mount over the 2 anchors. Then use the supplied screws to secure the mount in place. To finalize the physical installation, align the prongs on the back of the wireless video doorbell with the 4 rectangular slots in the mount. Push the doorbell into the slots and slide down until the device clicks into place. Slide the latch on the bottom of the mount to secure the wireless video doorbell in place. Now the Alarm.com wireless video doorbell is ready for use.